Cafe du Kwai is a newly opened riverside cafe located along the Kwai Noi River in Kankanaburi. The cafe offers a calm and relaxing atmosphere, making it an ideal stop for those who want to slow down and enjoy nature. Surrounded by trees and flowing water, the space feels peaceful from the moment you arrive. The highlight of Cafe du Kwai is its riverside setting. Guests can sit close to the water and enjoy gentle river sounds and cool breezes. Throughout the day, the view changes beautifully with the light, especially in the late afternoon when the river reflects warm tones from the sky. This natural scenery creates a sense of escape from busy city life. The cafe's design is modern yet warm, using wood and natural colors to blend seamlessly with the environment. Large open areas and clear views of the river make the space feel airy and comfortable. Both indoor and outdoor seating are available, allowing visitors to choose between a cool, quiet space or a more natural riverside experience. Cafe du Kwai serves a variety of well-crafted drinks, with a focus on quality coffee. Espresso-based drinks, iced coffee, and smooth lattes are prepared with care, offering balanced flavors that are easy to enjoy. For non-coffee drinkers, there are refreshing beverages designed to suit the relaxed riverside mood. Desserts and light snacks are also available, including cakes and baked goods that pair well with drinks. The flavors are gentle and not overly sweet, making them suitable for a slow afternoon break. Some visitors choose to enjoy light meals here, turning their cafe visit into a casual brunch or lunch by the river. Overall, Cafe du Kwai is a simple yet charming cafe that stands out for its location and atmosphere. It is a place to sit quietly, enjoy good drinks and desserts, and connect with nature. Whether visiting alone, with friends, or with family, this riverside cafe offers a peaceful experience that leaves a lasting, relaxed feeling.